Hey guys, we're at the beach. Before I got on the ocean, and here's Evelyn, and it's pretty chilly out here, so she's in her sleeper. But it's very what? I like it. It's all natural pose. So it's about like it's about mid-70s, and so it's chilly. The water's freezing, but we just came out here to take some pictures. We got some good ones, and hey mama, so it's nice being out here. Look at the sun, sure is pretty. So here's ocean. Woo.
Hey everybody, it's Mom and Melody.
Aunt Melody.
And the beach.
Aunt Melody and Grammy. And Evelyn. And Mommy. And birds. So cute. Toes. Like toes.
Tourist with us around my neck. We need a toe shot.
Okay. Alright, making more videos soon. We're gonna head to Walmart, and I'm gonna take some videos while we're in there. So I'll see you then. Bye.